You'll do this okay, Weston?
Yeah.
Okay, pedal, 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 pedal.
Weston, no, I wish I would.
Okay, you're doing all right, buddy. Good job.
Yeah, just let him get up first. You should get just it does kind of turn. I don't remember it being quite like that.
Or the water was higher, fast? I don't know.
Something was different about this.
Make sure my camera's facing aft in case of I catch a crash.
Oh, thank you, dear. You're so thoughtful.
Just thinking ahead, you know.